Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is kind of a finalization. The gentleman emailed me back. He's actually going to cut this out. He just doesn't know how to make it a vector. So what we're going to do, and I'm going to kind of do a couple of things here. I'm going to grab it all, and I'm going to go up to arrange, and I'm going to break the four objects apart. My nudge factor is still set on 1/4 of an inch, so I'm going to move that line down like 3 clicks, both of them. Grab that line right there and 3 clicks, both of them. I'm going to shift select the second line, and I'm going to go to arrange, and I'm going to combine it. Now it's all one line. I'm going to go to, well, the problem he's having is he wants this into the text into vector. All you have to do is take away the fill. And so I left click no fill, right click hairline. Now that is a vector, and I changed the font to impact to make it a little bit thicker. I think you're going to cut it out, you want it a little bit thicker. Same thing here, left click, right click, and that is that'll cut out. I mean, that's a hairline. Now I don't know if he's going to, I'm almost gathering he's a plasma cutter because this thing is so big. I mean, we're talking 42 inches. So what I would suggest, if you're going to cut this out and you want this all on a deal, you take our new item, go up to Effects and Contour, and contour to the outside. Let's go 1/2 inch and see what it did. That's a little bit much. Let's go 1/4 of an inch, 0.25. And that gives us a line. And really what we should do is probably, let's back up here and let's make this line a little shorter. So I'm just going to draw 2 lines. That didn't work too well. Just draw a line past there. Use your virtual segment delete key and delete that line. So I'm just making my line shorter, and depending on what you are doing, you would change that. So now we still have this line, and we're going to do what we did before, and we're going to contour the outside, making a 1/2 inch piece of metal. If it's a plasma cutter, I'm still kind of guessing here. I'm going to go up to arrange, break contour apart, and grab that center line and hit delete. Now I actually have a line. So we can go up 1/4 of an inch, and actually we need to go a little bit higher. Well, you know what? That's going to work on most of the text. If we want to weld that text into there, you can play with this. Let's do this. Let's change our nudge distance to 0.05 because this thing is so big. Take your shape tool, grab a node, and matter of fact, let's grab both these nodes. You can see it just moved it up just a little bit. We just need, if he's cutting this out in metal, and I'm still not 100% sure, I'm just guessing it's straws here. And I've changed a little bit of the width of the item. Let's look at the other side and see what it looks like. Same thing here. Just take these 2 nodes and just cursor them up a little bit. Because some of them don't need it, some of them do. Let's look at one more section of the line. We don't need the contour anymore. I think we're good to go. And if you're a plasma cutter, I would get rid of this node right here, as long as it doesn't change our shape. Because in plasma cutting, the more nodes you have, it can cause problems. Same thing with this, there's a lot of nodes. And I might be going off the chart here, I don't know actually if he's doing plasma cutting. And I really shouldn't take the time, your time to do this, but anyway, this should weld, but it won't. Yeah, it will. let's go up here, zoom in here a little bit, and let's see what happens. Let's weld this. It worked. There you go. Let's fill it in with the Smart Fill tool so you can actually see it. And that's what it would look like cut out. I truly hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.